Hey there, Buy Smart family! Welcome back to the channel, where we help you make better purchasing decisions with a sprinkle of humor and a dash of controversy. Today, we're diving into the world of drones with two models that are ready to battle it out in the skies. On the left, we have the Holy Stone HS440, and on the right, the Timmy's 4K drone. Grab your popcorn because this is going to be one heck of a show. First up, camera quality. The Holy Stone HS440 comes with a 1080p HD camera that can be adjusted within 90 degrees. Perfect for capturing those epic beach shots or family reunions. You know, the ones where Uncle Bob photobombs every single picture. But hold on to your propellers, folks. The Timmy's 4K drone ups the ante with a 4K UHD camera. That's right, 4K. It's like bringing a bazooka to a water gun fight. Plus, it has a 110-degree FOV lens. You'll be capturing details you didn't even know existed, like the look of regret on Uncle Bob's face after his 34th photobomb. Next, let's talk flight time. The Holy Stone HS440 offers a sweet 20 minutes of airtime. That's enough to film a short movie, or just enough time for your neighbor to call the cops on your flying UFO. The Timmy's 4K drone doesn't specify its flight time, but with all those extra cameras and features, we can only hope it stays in the air longer than your last relationship. Fingers crossed! How easy are these bad boys to use? The Holy Stone HS440 is like the iPhone of drones. Automatic takeoff, precise hovering, and one-key high-speed rotation. Even your grandma could fly it while making her famous apple pie. The Timmy's 4K drone, however, is like the Swiss Army knife of drones. One-touch takeoff, altitude hold, headless mode, and it even does 3D flips. It's like the drone equivalent of a breakdancer. You'll be doing tricks in no time, or at least trying to impress that cute neighbor. When it comes to design and portability, the Holy Stone HS440 is foldable and comes with a handy carrying case. It's like the pocket-sized superhero you didn't know you needed. The Timmy's 4K drone also folds up and comes with a carrying case. But here's the kicker. It weighs less than 250 grams, so no FAA registration required. That's right, you can fly this thing without Big Brother watching. Take that, bureaucracy! Now, let's talk customer support. The Holy Stone HS440 is beginner-friendly with features like emergency stop and headless mode. But what if things go south? Well, you're on your own, kiddo. The Timmy's 4K drone, however, comes with dedicated customer service reps, ready to help you with everything from takeoff to landing. It's like having a personal drone butler at your service. Fancy, right? Reviewers have praised the Holy Stone HS440 for its durability, ease of use, and decent camera quality despite its struggles in windy conditions. On the other hand, the Timmy's 4K drone impresses with its camera quality and versatility, but has mixed reviews regarding durability and customer service availability. So who's the winner of this drone duel? Is it the Holy Stone HS440 with its sleek features and extended flight time? Or the Timmy's 4K drone with its stunning 4K camera and unbeatable customer support? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And remember, whether you're capturing epic landscapes or just annoying your neighbors, always buy smart. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our next epic showdown. Fly safe, and we'll see you in the next video. Product links are in the description.